Standard 2nd, English Medium, Subject, Mathematics, Lesson number 25, Cardinal Numbers, Ordinal Numbers. Once in a forest, at a potluck for 7, each brought a dish by all to be eaten. Rabbit came a-hoping, the first of the lot, but oh, in the hurry, his tiffin he forgot. Second was Deer, golden and swift, with tender green grass, bagged like a gift. Monkey came third, with a basket of veggies, swinging from the trees with so much ease. Fourth came Cow, swinging her tail, happy she could bring her yummy carrot cake. A bundle on his trunk, Elephant came fifth. The bundle was of sugar cane. Oh, what a thrill! Sparrow was sixth, with corn or the cob. Seventh with roasted gram strutted in peacock. 7 happy picnickers shared the dishes 6. A better feast you couldn't have wished. Here the words 6, 7 are cardinal numbers which give values. 6th, 7th are ordinal numbers that give the order in a sequence.